Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about the stock chart of Barclays PLC. So if you just check this chart, this is anyhow a long-term chart and the data is available since 1984. So you can consider it a chart of around 27-28 odd years. So we have a pretty long data. And if you look at this chart, this is uh, full of volatility, you can say. So you have a upside, then you have a downside, then it is trying to go up and further down. Okay, so there is a trend like this. But if you just check this one, check this position, this is the high of 2007. Okay, so the stock has made its high since 1984 till 2006 or 7, where it has given around 2200% return, and afterwards it's completely falling down. Now the important thing here is, so if you check this rebound, okay, so the rebound should come at least here, but instead of that, what has happened, it has covered around 50 to 60 or 70% of this trend and again start falling down. So it means that this is a big bear market which has been continuing from 2007. Okay, so this is, if you exclude till 2007, this is a bear market chart, but we have to look at the overall chart pattern. So the way the trend has formed is like this. So you have this support level, you have the second support level which is here right now, and this one. Okay, and on the top you have this, you can consider this as your resistance level, simultaneously this one, this one. So there are multiple checkpoints which the stock has to cover if it does want to go up. Okay, and this one. So I will not go beyond 359. Once it crosses 359, we will talk about the uh, later on the previous part. So the high, the 2007 high was 713. Now the way the chart has formed is simply like this. So just stay focused on this level. The first support level is at around 74.94, then 60, and finally 44. So 44 was the low which the stock has made in the financial crisis of 2009. So if the price will go beyond this level, if there is a possibility, then there is a much bigger downside which the stock can see. Okay, so just think about these three important support levels, and most importantly, it should not go below 44. Okay, that is the thing. So you have to take care of your risk first rather than the profit. On the upside, the first resistance of the target is around 112. It went to, I think, 143, which was again a resistance level. So now your first target or resistance will be at around 112, then 143, afterwards 186, then 220, then 289, and here 361. So you can see these are multiple targets, or you can say these are multiple resistance on which, or around which the price could probably again turn on the downside. So this is the thing. Now you should consider this chart in a dual manner. First, so you can consider it as a half glass full or half glass empty, but this is completely up to you. But what you should look at, and most importantly, is your risk, and the profit part comes on later. So if you can manage your risk, you should look at the profit afterwards. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this kind of content. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.